This tutorial will demonstrate how to do a basic search in the SSU Clark Memorial Library Discovery Service. The Discovery Service searches across numerous databases for books and articles based on your search terms. Discovery Search is the default tab for the search box on the library homepage. Now let's say I'm looking for information on disinformation and social media. This is by default a keyword search, which means that Discovery will be looking for these words as significant terms in the item's record. And then I'm going to click Search. And this is the result list. You'll see there are academic journals, books, videos, and more. Now, in most cases, you are expected to use scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles as the majority of sources in your academic paper. Scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles are written by scholars to share their research with other scholars and reviewed by some expert scholars in the field, the author's peers, prior to publication. Newspapers, magazines, and most websites are not considered scholarly sources. Under Refine Results on the left side of the page, you'll see ways to limit to scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles. You'll see it says scholarly peer-reviewed journals with the checkbox. I'm going to check that box, and now everything that comes back is going to be a scholarly peer-reviewed journal article. I can also limit by date under Limit To. You'll see it says publication date here. If I want the last 5 years, I can go into the From box and put in 2018 and click Enter, and then everything that comes back is going to be a scholarly peer-reviewed journal article published in the last 5 years. So let's take a look at an individual article. I'm just going to click on the title, and you'll see right here is the source information. You'll notice the abstract right here, which is just an overview of the article. You'll see the PDF full text over here on the left side of the page. You might also see OhioLink EJC or LibKey Instant PDF under here as well. If you do not see any of that, you will always see Get Full Text. And if you click this button, it will show you if and where else you have access to this article. If the library does not have immediate full access, it will direct you to fill out an interlibrary loan form. You can email this article record to yourself. Over here in the right sidebar under Tools, you'll see Email. You just click on Email, put your email address in, and click Send. If the PDF is over here above Get Full Text, that PDF will come as an attachment to your email. Also under Tools, you'll see the Cite function. If I click on that, it'll give you reference bibliography entries for any number of citation styles. The only thing to watch for is accuracy, especially capitalization of author and article title. If you have questions or want help researching, contact the library or schedule a research appointment with the librarian using the request form on the library homepage.